Then you record. Okay? Can, huh? Okay, don't kick.
Yes.
Alright, the camera has started. So we are going to go to the first part of the lesson. Okay, huh? Alright. If I know your name, then all of you, you know, I'm very good. Okay, now can we turn to page 2? Okay, page 2. Now, you will realize that actually this part is actually quite simple. Okay, why are we doing this? Because we have very strict definition in Set 1 or secondary school. We have to know what is what. Because when you reach Set 4, most likely you forget what is 6 and 1. Okay, now, first thing I want you to know is that what are whole numbers? Numbers can also be put like an whole dot. Okay, whole numbers starts from what? 0. Whole numbers start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3. What does this number mean? It goes on forever. Understand? How many dots is needed? Just 3. Don't need to put dot 10. Understand? 3 is enough. Okay? So whole numbers starts from 0. Now, then I think you know what is this? Even number. Now, 0 is an even number. As long as the number is divisible by 2, it's an even number. Because 0 divided by 2 is what? 0. 0 is still a whole number. Is that clear? So, a lot of set goals, they are confused. They thought 0 starts from 2. No. 0 starts from, even numbers, my goodness. Even numbers start from 2. No. Even numbers start from what? 0. Okay? Alright. So, if you look at page 2, examples of whole numbers are 0, so and so forth. Even numbers, 0, 2, 4, and see? So, odd numbers. Odd numbers we got 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, blah, blah, blah. Okay? Okay? These are the 3 definitions that you must know first. Everybody clear? Everybody clear so far? Okay, good. Then we are moving on. Okay? What do you mean by factors? Okay, factors. I'm going to introduce 2 terms first. Factors and multiples. What is the difference? I know primary school you learn revising. Okay, now, let's say I have 18. I go one by one. If you want to copy, you can copy. You don't copy, also doesn't matter. Because it's just division. I have 1 times 18. Then I have 1. 2 times 9. Then 3 times 6. Then 6 times 3, right? 9 times 2, 18 times 4, right? Reserve it, right? Must you write again? No need. So, what are the factors of 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Everybody clear? So, these are called factors. Because later on, we are going to do highest common factor and lowest common multiple. And your primary school method doesn't work. Because the number can be very big. So what type of method can we use? Do you understand? But I will show you the primary school method first and show that the method actually carries in the primary school method. Are you all clear? Okay, now, what are multiples? For example, I want multiples of 3. So I will have first one is what? 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, and then so on, right? Okay. Oh my God, what's that? Alright, 15, then 18, and then alright now. Yes or no? I missed out. I missed out, you must tell me you know. Don't teacher wrong, you know, that kind of thing. Laugh at me for no reason. Okay, now, can you see that for this one, it will carry on forever?
Yes.
So, for factors, right, usually we look for highest common factor of a few numbers, 2 or more. But for multiples, right, we look for what? Lowest common multiple. How come I cannot look for highest? Because it can go forever. You do not know where it stands, where it ends. There might be some more outside. That's all. The end. How about 5? 1 times 5x. How about 7? 1 times 7. How about 9? 1 times 9? Is this prime? No. All these are prime. This is not a prime because I have more than one combination. Do you understand? So those who have more than one combination will be called composite numbers. Now, does it mean that those who are not prime will be composite? No. The exception is what? 0 and 1. Why? Do you know that 0 and times a lot of things? All these are 0, you know. Do you agree 0 has a lot of factors? So it's not counted. Understand? Okay? 1 is also not counted because 1 has only one factor, and that's 1. Do you understand? For it to be a prime, it must have how many factors? You get what I mean? That's why 0 and 1 are not counted. Okay? So, what is the smallest prime number? 2. Nobody to tell me 1. Because the second study 1, I already throw it out of the class. I'll send it back to your primary school again and come back. Okay, then I'll teach you. Okay? So, repeat. What's the smallest prime number? 2. Are we clear now? Are we clear now? Why is 0 and 1 counted? You're also clear? Okay, so the smallest prime number starts from 2. Then I want to ask one more question. Does it mean that odd number are always prime? No. Give me a number. 9. Another one? Another one? 15. Okay, why 15? 1 times 15? 3 times 5 or 5 times 3. Right? Okay. Does it mean that all even numbers are composite? Why? What's the exception? 2. Can you see? And 0. Correct? That's very good, Jai. 0. Am I right to say that? 0 and 2 are not composite. Sorry, are not. How to say? Those who are not prime, not necessarily composite. Those are composite are not necessarily prime also. You must look carefully. Understand? Add the numbers. Am I clear so far? Am I clear so far? Okay, good. Can we now look at page 3? Okay. Prime numbers or primes and then composite numbers. So you can read through all that. Understand? And can you look at the green box on page 3? A prime number is a whole number that has exactly 2 equal factors, 1 and itself. Exactly as what I said. Everybody okay? Look at the second line. A composite number is a whole number that has more than 2 given factors. Agree? Last line, 0 and 1 are neither prime nor composite. They are not prime and they are not composite. Yes, yes?
May I go to the toilet?
Yes, you may go to the toilet. Go by the back door, please. Okay? Now, next part, can you turn to page 4? Look at the investigation. This is the seed of Aristoteles. Okay? Now, can you see that they do until 100? Can you see they do until 100? I'm not going to go until 100, okay? I'm just going to do until 50, alright? Then the rest you can read yourself home. Okay? This is just a way for us to find out the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Okay? Now, I want to write down on the board, all of you. This is the first set number, right? All of you. No need later, I'll give you time to write. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. I'll go until 50, Okay, I want to find out what is the prime number. Now, remember just now I told you 1 is not right. So I will cancel this out. Alright. Remember I said 2 is the right?
Yes.
So 2 I will have. On the 18, then 21, 27, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, right? 45. 45 is 3 times 15, you know. Any more? No more, right? Next one, what's the next 5? 5, right? All the multiples of 5, correct? So this, then this one got 1 away, so no more. Then which one? 7. 7 has what? 14, then 21, then 28, then 35, right? Alright, then 42, then 49. 49 is what? 7 times what? 7 times 7. Are we clear? Okay, next one is what? 11. 11 will have 22, 33, and 44. Okay, next one is what? 13. 13 will have what? 26, what else? 39. What's 13 times 4? 113. Oh, this one will be rubbish. Okay, let's try another nice one. 13 times 4, 52. Of course, you can go and cancel 52 now. I'm only 150. Are we clear? What's the next one number? 17. 17, what's the next one? 34. Okay, what's 34 and 17? 51, right? So, already exceeded. So, we're not going to consider that. 19 will be 38, right? So, we cancel. What's the next one? 23. What's the next one? 46. Already cancel. What's the next one? 29. Times 2 is what? 58. So, already cancel. Okay? Next one, 31 times 2 is 62, 37, 74. Good. 41, 82, 43, 86, 47, and 4. So, what are the prime numbers less than 50? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Very well. 13, so on. All those that are isomorphic. Are you clear? You can do the whole exercise until 100 or until 1000 up to you. Understand? Can or cannot? My point is, what is the smallest prime? 2. And mind you, after 7, what's the next prime? 11. It is not 9. It doesn't mean that odd number will be prime. Do you understand what I'm talking about here? Okay so far? Yes, Okay, good. Now, next lesson will be your SMO, right? Alright, it will be 50 minutes, but by the time I arrange the class and everything, it will be whole lesson. So, the next lesson, I'll be covering page 5 all the way until page 10. Exercise 1A. So, next lesson, I will cover page 5 to page 10. Can you go home and just read through it? Okay, no time going to try. I will come and teach you. But I think that if you read through it, you can have a better understanding. And I do not have to stop and then you don't understand. Those people who do not understand what I'm saying today or there are some doubts, okay, you can watch my video again and see if you can understand. If not, you can find me. Do you understand? Go accumulate all your uncertainties. Everybody clear? And next lesson, I must have your textbook, your notebook, and your calculator. Understand? Your platform, please buy it by the end of the week. Everybody can? And every lesson must also be foolscap paper. Because I'm doing exercises on foolscap paper. Need not be simply foolscap paper. But it must be A4 size. Don't buy the long one. Then cannot buy the far. You shut up. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? Okay. When I say stop the video, what you'll do is that you'll move there. Okay? Then you will stop the recording.